Once again, good evening to each and every one. Another enchanting event in the life of our birthday celebration that is coupled with a much more exciting program. Because for tonight, we're going to witness and celebrate the joys for birthday celebration of our dear, of our adorable birthday celebration, no other than Lior Elizar Algabre. A round of applause. Nakukulang yung energy na ating club. A round of applause. By the way, my name is Stanley Santos, and I will be your host on this amazing occasion. And I welcome here in Interactive Mind Center for Rehabilitation here in Salman. For sure, we'll have fun and exciting activities, so please stay tuned, sit back and relax. At this point, I would like to acknowledge all our guests, loving, proud parents wearing their dashing and wonderful outfit. You look all handsome and beautiful for tonight with our team, Spider-Man. To the Algabre family on the grand entrance. At the team, say yes, if you're ready. Shout, come on. So, everyone, please all rise. Let us all stand up. And without further ado, let's begin. A big round of applause. Representing once again, Tatay Noel, Nanay Galen. So before we should start our program, we will feel the presence of our Almighty God amidst us. True, a prayer made by Tatay Noel.
Filled with love and blessings for you as you turn forward. May you always be surrounded with happiness, health, and joy as you grow and learn each day. May your heart be filled with kindness, your spirit with curiosity, and your days with laughter. May you always be guided with love and light. And may your journey be filled with blessings and sweet moments. Happy birthday, dear Leo. May your heart ahead be truly wonderful. God bless you. Thank you.
By the way, the birthday song and blowing of the cake, so I request all the cute little kids to please join Lior because we'll sing all together a birthday song for him. Sa lahat ng mga bisita, loving and parents dito rin sa harapan dahil gagawin natin memorable ang okasyon na ito. Wala na pa ng mga bisita dito sa harapan, huwag na mahihiya kay Stanley. Ay, Mami. Dito mo. Ayan. Palimutan natin yung birthday celebration. Para kung ba. Marami tayo. To you, come on. Hey, Lior. Happy birthday, Lior.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Lior.
Let's sing the birthday song for Lior.
Yeah.
Kids and adults, family and friends, are you ready to sing the birthday song? Mami, ready ka na ba? Ay, sige. Senyorita, ready ka na ba?
Ready.
Okay, kids and adults, we will sing all together a birthday song for Lior in my counting. 1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday to you, Andy.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. One. Happy birthday to you. Oh yeah. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Leo's birthday wish and message for your son. As I celebrate for the first years, 4 years gift of life, 4 years of existence for tonight. Amazing occasion. Alright, take it away. Tatay Noel.
Ang birthday ko binigay. Sana tumatino siya lalo. Please subscribe for it. And sana matutong magkakasalos, magkasalagin. And laging sumunod sa magulang.
Alright, thank you so much, Tatay Noel. How about for Nanay Kalen? What will be your birthday wish for your son?
Let's play on the playground space. Because I'm not gonna swim and I'm not gonna swim.
Okay lang po.
I wanna swim. Okay, you're gonna swim? I wanna swim too.
As you learn more, I want you to know how much joy and love I bring to my life. Every single day. Your laughter is music to my ears. Fills me with wonder. Watching you grow and discover the world is the greatest blessing. You are kind, smart, and full of endless potential. Always remember to chase your dreams and never stop being curious about the world. I'm so proud of the little person you are becoming. On your special day, I want to remind you how loved you are. You brighten my days and fill my heart with happiness. May your fourth birthday be as special and wonderful as you are. Happy birthday, Leor. My precious Leor, I love you more than words can express.
For our first birthday, bring me your mama and papa here in front. Kailangan ano? Magkaroon tayo ng alog-alog muna. Alog-alog. Mama and papa. Ay, nanalo. Kasi bigyan natin ng white hair, puting buhok.
Ako meron ako eh. Meron ako.
Pangal! In 1, 2, 3! Be the first! Ay, nanalo na yung batang ito. Tanggal na shoes.
Here.
One hair, 2 pieces. Ay, si Lydia. Si Leo nanalo? Oy, Leo! Congratulations! Ang galing. Okay. Ano na? Bring me red handkerchief. Hanky. Red hanky. Wala kayong handkerchief. Oh, sige. Bring me red bag!
Red bag.
Oh, sige, ito na ako. And second to the last birthday item.
Susi. O yan, may susi lang.
Eric Chukasa ko. White color purse. White purse.
White fur.
Walang white? Kung walang white, edi black purse! Purse ba? Sa akin ba? Okay, nanalo na si Baby. Okay, bring me the Algabre family here in front. Okay. Complete Algabre family. Sino kasi nanalo si Bernie? Congratulations, Bernie! Oo, nanalo ni Bernie. Kasi, dalawang pangalan mo?
Yes.
Alien. Vigo. Alien, you know the birthdays. Happy birthday, Lior. Long is waiting. Can you show to us? Happy birthday, Lior. It will be like that, okay? Do it very long. How about for our timer? Si Ayan na lang. Alright kids, please listen carefully for the mechanics of this longest drinking game. What you're going to do, you need to say the happy birthday Leor in very long. Make it very long, okay? Like, happy birthday Leor! Okay? If you can do that, you're gonna receive a prize. Okay, because do the happy birthday Lior in 1. Ready na, okay? Stopwatch ko. Ay, alam ni Ace.
Bigo.
Oh, Ace, ikaw na muna. Okay, Ace, do the happy birthday Lior in 1. Come on!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Lior, in 1, 2, 3, come on!
Happy birthday, Lior!
Oh my God! 8 seconds siya! Nakapakalan siya! High five!
Friends na kayo.
Friends na tayo, okay? Friends forever! Okay, now, Brian, come forward. Do the longest greeting happy birthday in 1, 2, 3, come on.
Happy birthday, Lior!
Oh my God! Kailan po?
13 seconds.
I mean, Brian. Okay, moving forward. Vera, do the longest birthday. Happy birthday, Lior. In 1, 2, 3, come on.
Happy birthday, Lior!
That score, 16.45 seconds. If you can beat that score or that seconds, show what you got. Come on.
Okay. Happy birthday, Lior!
Bernie, kumusta ka? Bernie, in English, how are you?
I am okay.
Hindi na natin makatagal ito. Show what you got! Come on! Okay, yung wapo, dumating kakadating. Ay, sorry, kumakain pa ganun, no? O yung aking, cover for tonight. Sa likod. Tapos yung madam, palaban dito si madam. Okay, sir. Kaya tayo. Huwag kang makalala mo. Ano lang ginagawa ko si mo? Huwag ka lang po sa assistant. Huwag kang makalala. Sir, anong pangalan nila?
Bernie din.
Bernie! Bernie who?
Senior.
Ah, junior. Sir, taga-saan po kayo? Las Piñas. Sir, ano pinagmamalaki ng mga taga Las Piñas po, sir?
Hindi ko alam.
Naku, sir!
Parang wala naman eh.
Naku, sir, kung wala kang pinagmamalaki sa Las Piñas na lugar, pakitaan mo kami ng walang pinagmamalaki. Come on!
No?
Sige pa kayo. Mami, come on. Dito sa naman. Sa'yo kayo magkang-family. Di ba palaban naman talaga sila. Smart naman. Kaya, thank you po. Dito na kayo natin, ma'am. Ma'am, anong pangalan mo, ma'am? Lord? Kumusta pa yung puso mo, ma'am?
Hindi ko gulat lang.
Ma'am, bakit ka po ninenervyos, ma'am?
Next time mo ako kaya laptop.
Ay, di ko nakikinig ano daw po? Biro lang. Okay, kung sige na sa akin ng tayo. Teka ka, ma'am! Sir, magkasin na tayo, di ba? Sir? Sir! Ay, ma'am pala. Ma'am, ano pangalan nila, ma'am? Dale. How's your Dale?
My tail is fine. My tail is fine.
And your Dale is fine. Okay. What can you say to our birthday celebrant? Do you have any birthday wish for Leor?
Leor, happy birthday. Enjoy your birthday.
Enjoy your birthday. Ma'am, anong favorite mong gawin sa umaga?
Uminom ng kape.
Ma'am, gaano katapa yung kape na iniinom mo sa umaga?
Matapang na matapang.
Madam, sir! Madam! Kung matapang yung kape, pakitaan mo kami ng mata. Oh my God! Come on!
Diyos ko, ang saya.
Dance mo na. Sige, dance. Face in front, face in front. Sayaw!
Alisin mo nga si Brian.
Ang galit naman ni Andel. Pero gusto ko siyang bigyan ng consolation. Consolation po kanina. Ayan siya. Ma'am, sa A to Z alphabet letters, ano yung favorite letter mo?
R.
R. Bakit R?
Husband ko. Brad.
Rob.
Vera.
Paano po matidescribe si Sir Rob as a husband po?
Totally complete.
Totally complete. Madam! Kung totally complete si Sir Rob, pakitaan mo ng total. That's naman, ang galing naman. Totally complete talaga. Ang galing. Dito na tayo sa panghuli. Dahil ikaw yung panghuli, sir, dito sa ko. Tatay Nobel, kumusta ka po? Okay naman. Ito na lang po yung tanong natin. Gaano mo kamahal si Nanay Kalen? From 1 to 10. 10 the highest score.
1 to 10 to the moon.
To the moon. Paano po may sasalarawan or mag-describe si Ma'am Kalen or Nanay Kalen as a wife?
Mag-ingat ka.
Bakit po domesticated, sir? Paki-elaborate po.
Box.
Nagkilinis.
Ang swerte naman pala ni sir no kay Mami or Nanay Kalen. Kung complete, kung kompleto, buong si Ma'am Kalen, pakita mo kami ng buong-buo. Come on! Basta, sa'yo na rin yung okay, we're done. Okay na tayo sa district na tayo. Sir, dito muna sa answer.
Happy birthday, Leo.
Ilang segundo, sir? 8.3. Oh my God, 8.3. Congratulations, sir. Ma'am, good na lang district na po. In 1, 2, 3, 1. Happy birthday, Leo. Anong tinitik mo, ma'am? Anong iniwan mo? Wala. Ikaw lang yan. Hindi na pala yung katalang tinitik. Ano yung totoo? Wala ka tinitik? I mean, sa umaga ka kape. Sa gabi, ano yung tinitik mo? Wala ka kang supplements? Wala talaga. Kung wala talaga, duda ng gaslighting lang.
Okay.
birthday to your po.
Happy birthday, Leo!
Madam, kumusta po ulit?
Okay naman.
Kung okay naman, doon na lang just greeting na, come on.
Happy birthday, Leo!
Make it slowly. Okay, take one of those cheers. Okay, dance kids.
Dance.
Sayo din kayo. Hindi ka dance. Ay! Ito. One more yan.
Alam mo, tatanggal niya.
Alam mo, tatanggal niya. Ay, okay lang kayo? Okay lang yan dito. Okay, one more here. Oh, galing.
Injury yung mga players.
How many those cheers? Sino na wala sa inyo? Diyan kayo kayo na. Paper, scissor, paper, scissor. Paper, scissor. Paper, scissor, stones. Paper, scissor, stones. Ayan. Nanalo si Pipi. Thank you for joining, Brian. Thank you. Who will be our winner for this musical chair? Kids, watch. Dance as well. I will give prize for the best answer. I can only give smile. Sayo din kayo, dance. Ay, Gentleman si Bernie Obala. Nagbibigay ko ng prize. Kailangan may digitization. Bigyan
Sorry.
Who's moving? Who's moving? Aww. Good job, kids. Who's moving? Aww.
Oh, what's that?
Stretch your arms. Sino na gumagaya? Who's moving? Ladies and gentlemen, before we officially close our program, we will listen to the word of thanks and gratitude from the proud and loving parents of Lior. May we have here in front, Tatay Noel. Opo. Thank you message po to all the participants who came on this moment as event for Lior as we celebrate for this 4 years Eve of life.
Maraming salamat. So much. Next year ulit.
And I would like to take this opportunity for having me here for tonight as your event host. My name once again is Stanley Santos. To all the participants who came for tonight, lovely event for your 4th birthday celebration. Maraming salamat po. Sabay-sabay natin sabihin once again, Happy Birthday, Lior. Happy birthday, Lior! We're just ending the program, ladies and gentlemen, but before we end our program, we can proceed in the swing area upstairs and outside for our swimming pool for all our kids. Let's enjoy this cool evening. Maraming salamat and God bless us all. The Algebra family, together with Nanay, Colin, and Tatay Noel, what will be your message or feedback regarding for my hosting? Kiko, Nanay, Colin.
Sobrang saya. And hindi na yung makakalimutan. Super thank you.
Sino ka po mabalik ang bagay?
2 words. I really recommend it.